Alright, what's up y'all? This is Evan with Precision Pressure Wash. We're in Kissimmee, Florida today. We got a house and paver driveway cleaning, so let me show you what we got. Alrighty, so first off, these big windows in the front. If I zoom in, you see all that black there on that foam, fake concrete stuff. You see it there. Look at all that black built up, all that mold. All along the front of the house here. See, we got everything taped up already. Soffits, dirty. See them there. Down the side. If I go up the ladder, you see this side of the house right there. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that black. That is crazy. You see the whole front of the house here? All the black I was talking about. Front soffits here. Gutters looking pretty dirty. Down the side. More dirtiness all along here. Right here, this is a lot of mold on this power box here. All along the bottom of the walls, you see all that. Not sure how much of that is mold, how much of that is, worn off paint, but see this window here? Nice and dirty. We tried to get this screen open, but we can't get it. We're gonna clean in there as best we can. Up to the back. Not gonna be doing these bricks back here. We're gonna do this one brick for those because it's dirty. Up underneath the gutter there. Back, you see tape already. We did quite a bit of prepping back here as well. You see, put plastic over these things so they wouldn't get damaged. All back under here. He's gonna be getting up on the roof back here, so it's easy to do this back side. He's probably gonna get up on the side as well to do the right side. See all these bricks here. We'll be doing these. See some discoloration. Not gonna be able to get that. That's paint. And as I said, the bricks, these dirty bricks, look at that, leading up to the front driveway. See, it's a paver driveway. Everyone loves paver driveways. All the way up to the front door here. There's oil stains we're not going to be able to take care of. Unfortunately, oil stains do not come off like that. We wish they did. See the rest of the driveway here? There's dirtiness. Rest of this here. Down to the concrete, sidewalks, the gutter itself down here. See, obviously we're gonna move our hose when we're doing the driveway, but we want it as out of the way as the road as we can get it right now. And just wanted to show on these windows, there is a lot of grime, especially on this exact window right here. So we're gonna be taking care of that. Soffits, dirty, as I said. And that's what we got going on today, y'all. Stay tuned, because we got some work to do. Alright, y'all, just starting the pre-wet. Been pre-wetting for a little while, actually. And then as y'all know, after that, it's time to start soaping.
Alright guys, we're going to soap this side, the back, and a little bit of the other side. So then I'm gonna climb up there and do the top story. We got the revs turned all the way up. 2.1 injector, downstreaming. We'll pull out the 12 volt if we have to, but I don't think we'll have to. It's pretty cold, mid 40s, so it's gonna take a while for the stuff to actually work. Come out real good, guys. This house isn't that old. Whenever you're the first one to wash it, comes out awesome. Now we do got blue paint out here, guys, so I will be rinsing that first. We won't let that sit, not in the sun. So now we got all that soap. What I'm gonna do is pick a little bit of these glass windows while we're still pulling.
Yep, if y'all remember, first about 60 seconds when you put on the X-Jet, it's really foamy soap, so we like to use that on the windows. Alright, y'all. So like I said, he was gonna be getting up on the roof. And he's gonna, I guess, probably be doing all three sides except all the way left because there's no roof for him to stand on there, unfortunately. But looks like he's gonna be doing the rest of the top story standing on the roof, which, I mean, is good. It helps, it makes it easier.
Last rinse into the house, and then we're onto the driveway, and then we're onto the house, our house. All right, guys, we're on the final stretch. Just knocking out this driveway, and then we'll be going home. Stay tuned.
Alright y'all, so we were actually able to get the screens out, and there was a lot of debris in there. That is for sure. See, these are the screens here. We were able to get them out with the help of the homeowner. You can see now, look how good it looks. All right, y'all, just wrapped up the job, and man, did it come out good. Let me show y'all what we got. First off, look how shiny these pillars are. Things are glistening. As well, of course, we did all in here, moved all of our stuff back. Big old speaker. See, we covered this up, as well as the little fridge there. Don't want any damage being done to their property. But I mean, look at all this, y'all. Countertop, shining. Hole inside of here, walls. Around the back side. Look at all this, man. Looks great. Looks really good. All right, y'all, and out front now, as you can see, paver driveway looks awesome. Give y'all a quick little before shot of the bricks and then after. Here you go, concrete. Looks really good. There were some tanning spots we took care of with 5% post-treat. See? Let me zoom in on that up there. See that? That foam fake concrete up there, man, it looks really good. If I come up this ladder, look at that right there, y'all. You can see right there, it was all black. Now look at it, it looks really good, phenomenal. Soffits as well. Look at these gutters, these soffits. Very white. Let me zoom in up there for y'all. See all of them up there, very white now, very clean. See all of it. And you see here, sidewalk way that goes all the way back to the fence. Looking really good. Very red, colors are vibrant now. And then down the side here, as we said, we are gonna get the windows. Look at them now, I'll give you before and after. Some windows are clean, man. We got all in here, as we said. More soffits, very white. All the way back to where I already showed y'all. And of course, the walls look really good. The orange really pops now, shining. Gutter, look at that. Look at this gutter, man. Thing is shiny, it looks brand new. See the side there? And I'll give you a general overview of the front. There it is, y'all. With the man himself standing right there.
What was that?
Nothing.
I've never heard you say anything like that.
And then the whole front. Colors really pop now. The white stands out. It's clean. And it looks good. So with that, as always, y'all, this has been Precision Pressure Wash. We're in Kissimmee, Florida today. If you enjoy, like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.